All right, so this is Milwaukee's new Carbide teeth blades. And they're made in the USA with global materials, it says on them. They are thick. I'll show you a picture side by side with some of the wood blades that I have, and this is, I'd say, about twice as thick as those blades. It's crazy. So heavy duty looking. You can definitely tell they have a strip right at the top of the Carbide, and then the rest I'm sure is just some type of steel. But so these are just a bunch of brad nails, 18 gauge. They're my most common brads that I use all the time. And then these are just interior and exterior wood screws from GRK. Love them. So I'm just gonna cut through these, see how it does, and we'll go from there. I'm gonna turn the speed up quite a bit. And previously, a lot of my blades that say bimetal or will kind of cut through metal do not ever make it through these screws. They'll easily make it through the brad nails, but not those screws. So I'm interested to see how this will do with those. All right, so it ate through those brad nails, no problem. I'm not seeing any wear on it yet, so let's see how it does with these screws. A little bit of sparking going on, but still looking good. Let's see if it can keep going. So it's definitely slowing down. I think I am wearing it, the Carbide, a little bit on the left side of this blade. I'll take some close-up shots of this blade once I'm done. There we go. Yeah, not too much wear. It made light work of those, so that is awesome. I'm excited for this blade.